Hello everyone. Today I'm just going to show you how I created and placed my images in CSS and HTML, and I'll show you what my HTML page looks like in a browser so far. To be honest, I was trying to work with the background tag in CSS, but I kind of wasn't finding it very useful at the moment. I know I want to implement it more when I start making um, my pull quotes on all the pages, but I didn't use CSS um, background image option for this time. Um, so just to let you know, but I did implement it into my HTML and for the image source tag, which I'll show you. So I'll just how I created and placed. How I created it was I in Illustrator I did measure everything, and so I have all the right dimensions for my thumbnails, my pull quote. But after that, I tried to use the slice tool, but for some reason I wasn't really getting it. So what I did was I opened my Illustrator files in Photoshop, and you can see it right here. So this image thumbnail one, my image is, sorry you can't really see it, my image size, the width is 133 and my height is 75. So I made each thumbnail like that. I saved it for webs and devices and as a PNG file. Um, so that's how I did that one. Uh, so I have that thumbnail, and I also have this thumbnail. So both thumbnails are for my layout um, uh, page. So there's thumbnail 2, thumbnail 1. So what I did, I just exported it into or imported it into Photoshop and did it from there. I was just having a hard time with the slice tool. It was driving me crazy. So that's why I did it that way. Here's my code. Right here is an image tag. Put my alt tags there. And yeah, so there's that. And I put a width on it so it will fit it correctly. That's for my logo, that's for my logo. And here's my media tempo. This is for my pull quote. One thing I did not do is I did not put an alt tag. So I'll just do that real quick. And I can see I didn't put an alt tag in these either. So I apologize for that. So I'm just gonna name this tutorial or layout tutorial. Layout tutorial 1, and I'm just gonna copy this, paste, and make this 2, and save it. Okay, there we go. So yeah, so I have my thumbnails, image source tags, along with my pull quote image and my logo. So in my CSS, you can see I don't have the background option for my CSS. I kind of just did it with the image source tag in HTML. But for one of them, I believe it is my pull quote. For my pull quote, I added a class so it could lay correctly. and for that I put my quote example, which is right here. So it's just something I attached to my for my one of my images. That's what I did. Hope I'm making myself clear. Sorry. Okay, so let's see, what else did I have to do? And what my HTML page looks like in a browser so far. So let me just make sure. Okay, www.uiuhidd. So here's what my page looks like. Here's my logo. I made my logo a link, so if you click on it, it will go to the main page. So here's my pull quote off to the side. I put kind of like a white border. I'm still debating if that's how it should be. Then I have my tutorials right here. Still need to be a link, but not yet a link. So yeah, I have my tutorials, my pull quote image, and my logo. So I believe that is it. And yeah, so this is what I have so far, and I cannot wait to work with color. Thank you.